Okay, great. So let me very quickly go through the concluding remarks. So at the end of the slide deck, just to briefly highlight, I also put links to a couple other like really great teaching exercises that we sometimes use and have been like super helpful. So I won't go through these in detail, but there's links to all of them that I definitely recommend checking out, such as the VAX game for like kind of visualizing network interventions and network properties. The Connected Commons Agility Accelerator is a really great case study that's thinking about practical ties in organizations in a way that's kind of similar to RAD. Uh, Brooke Foucault-Wells published this really great like imaginary board of directors exercise. So I've included a citation to that. And reciprocity rings are really cool activity for thinking about like mutual exchange and getting students to provide help or resources to one another in kind of a engaging interactive way. So those are other like helpful, like kind of interactive network teaching about networks exercises I would recommend checking out if you're interested in. And there's links to all of those in the second slide deck. So sort of concluding remarks, a big theme across like the exercises we've demonstrated is the idea of like kind of integrating teaching and research. One thing that we've noticed that's really cool is if you can like show people an interactive exercise and then also be able to describe like big picture takeaways or like kind of aggregate trends from research that relate to or mirror things that you find in the exercise, that can be really helpful for a lot of learners in terms of building that boundary between like observing something personally and then understanding like these big scale trends or patterns that we've observed in social networks and making that intuition and that connection really real. The other thing I wanted to show at the end of the slide decks, and it's linked here, is kind of just an example syllabus of how we might kind of integrate these activities in. So we might do something like My Dream Team, sort of something at like the start of a semester to help students build teams for projects, and then spread these activities out by different weeks to week, helping engage students over time. And as we introduce different concepts, kind of building in related activities into the syllabus. And that's an approach we've kind of used to success. So you can like check it out or modify the syllabus that's shared online. And big picture, kind of the way we like to, the purpose of these exercises is to really help people think about the role that they have in networks. And interactive exercises provide like kind of a good venue of not just teaching in an engaging way, but to kind of translate this idea of network thinking, of network properties, into something where participants can see how they can actually be applied in like direct personal decision making and kind of relate them back to their day-to-day lives. So that's one of the big like benefits that we see in like these types of interactive exercises is you're taking concepts and you're making them real, you're making them concrete, and you're making them practical and demonstrating ways people can actually apply network thinking and engage with it.